Welcome to the planning briefing from the National Weather Service in Missoula. Today is Sunday, May 8th. We're going to walk through our weather timeline through next weekend, including through Tuesday. We'll see cool temperatures, afternoon showers, isolated weak thunderstorms present across the region, as well as overnight freezing temperatures. These freezing temperatures will probably bleed in the Wednesday through Friday period as we slowly transition out of the long-lived low pressure overhead. We'll also see slight daytime drying and warming. Then finally, next weekend, models suggest dry, warm, high pressure moving over the region. So looking a little closer, here is our expectations for thunderstorms on Monday, which include northwest Montana, where a weak wave of moisture will move through, and also portions of north central Idaho and southwest Montana that are near a cold core of the low pressure. We'll see pretty much similar thunderstorm expectations for north central Idaho and southwest Montana, as they are closer to the cold air aloft to the south and east of the region. Also, in the coming week, we'll see many mornings below freezing for a good part of the area, so any sensitive plants should be taken to a different location or covered nightly. Wednesday through Friday, a slow pattern change emerges. What we're showing here are 5 boxes, and the first 4 from left to right are similar patterns being grouped together. Now, this isn't a good example to show how these pattern bins or clusters, as we call it, could be different, but we see that they line up pretty closely together. And so we take all of these 4 pattern bins and we put them into one image, and this is what we get, which is fairly similar to what all the patterns are showing. And so we get some confidence about what we see for the pattern, the weather pattern coming up throughout the week. So this is on Wednesday. So contrast that pattern on Wednesday with what we see later on Friday, where we see high pressure starting to nose into the Pacific Northwest. And this is indicative of what we're to see later on in next weekend. So finally, we get high pressure next weekend, and based on our clusters or pattern matches, we see roughly 80% of the models are these top 3 boxes, comprising a prediction of high pressure over the Northern Rockies. Now, this cluster 4 has just a little delayed high pressure, so it's not necessarily that we won't get high pressure, it's just that some of our model or ensemble members think that it's going to be a bit slower to evolve. But overall, the mean of all these solutions point to high pressure. And here's our weather impact overview and the weather threat matrix. We see the thunderstorm potential for north central Idaho, northwest Montana, and southwest Montana on Monday, retreating to just north central Idaho and southwest Montana. But our snow showers at high elevations will continue during this time, except for southwest Montana, where snow will be seen at pretty much all elevations through Tuesday. Then we start transitioning out of our low pressure on Wednesday and Thursday, but a weak wave comes clipping by for southwest Montana, north central Idaho on Friday with some high terrain snow. So thank you for joining us for this briefing. The next one will be on Thursday, May 12th. We hope to see you there, and we hope you have a nice day.